Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Talk English Class podcast.
Yeah, this is the place where you learn real English from real conversations, not from boring grammar books.
I'm Grace.
And I'm James.
So, James, how are you today?
Honestly, a little tired.
Tired?
Yeah, long morning.
What happened?
Nothing big. Just, the usual things. Woke up, got ready, commute, work. And someone at work asked me, "Hey, James, how was your morning?"
And what did you say?
I said, "Fine." Just fine.
That's it?
That's it. Fine. One word. And then I walked away.
Yeah. I know that feeling.
And the sad part is, my morning was actually okay. Like something small happened, but I couldn't say it.
You couldn't say it in English.
Exactly. The words just disappeared.
Okay. I think we need to talk about this today.
Yeah, because this happens to me a lot.
Me too, honestly. More than people think.
This is something I think about a lot. Like, every day someone asks me about my day. Every day. My coworker, my neighbor, sometimes my boss.
And what do you say?
Fine, good, busy.
3 words.
3 words. That's my English conversation for the day. But inside my head, there is so much. I know what happened, I know how I felt, but the English, it just doesn't come out.
That gap between what you know inside and what comes out of your mouth.
Exactly, that gap.
I think many people listening right now feel exactly that.
Yeah, and then I feel embarrassed after, like I seem boring.
Oh, wait, you said embarrassed?
Yeah, like the person asked me a simple question and I gave them almost nothing.
And then you feel like they think you are boring.
Or unfriendly, or maybe even rude. But I'm not rude, I just froze.
Right. You froze.
Yeah. And there's one more thing, something specific that happened at work recently.
Wait, tell me.
I will, but let me explain the feeling first, because I want you to understand why it felt so bad.
Okay, let's go slow. So let's talk about why this happens. Why do we say fine even when we have more to say?
I think it feels safe.
Safe?
Yeah. Like if I say fine, the conversation ends and I don't have to worry about making a mistake.
So fine is like a door you close.
Exactly. I close the door before someone walks in.
That is a very good way to say it.
Thanks. But the problem is, when you close that door every day, nobody gets to know you.
Oh,
Yeah, and you feel invisible.
invisible.
Like you were there, but people don't really see you.
Because you only say fine.
Yeah, fine, good, busy, same words every day.
I understand that feeling honestly. I felt invisible for a long time at my first job.
Really?
Yeah, because my English felt too small to share real things.
Too small.
Like I had big feelings, but only small words.
That is exactly my situation.
Yeah, big feelings, small words.
And people see the small words, they don't see the big feelings.
Right, so they think you are quiet or cold or not interested.
Yes, and I am interested. I'm very warm inside. I just can't show it in English.
And that is not your fault. Seriously, that is not your fault. You are learning. You are trying. The words are coming slowly. That is normal.
But it's frustrating.
Yes, it is frustrating. I'm not going to pretend it isn't.
Because the day passes, and I had things to say, and I said nothing.
And that feeling stays with you.
Yeah, it stays.
Okay. Now tell me the story. The thing that happened at work.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the thing I mentioned earlier. So last week, my coworker, she asked me, "Hey, James, how was your weekend?"
Okay.
And I said, "Good. Relaxing."
Okay. 2 words.
2 words. But then she asked, "Oh, nice. What did you do?"
Oh.
Yeah, a follow-up question.
And you didn't expect that.
No, I did not expect that. I thought she would just say, "Nice," and walk away.
But she was actually interested.
She was interested, and I panicked.
Panicked?
Yes, my mind went completely empty.
Empty.
Like all the English disappeared in that 1 second.
Huh. The English just left the room.
Yes, the English said goodbye and ran away.
Huh.
And I just said, I stayed home mostly.
Okay. That's not bad, though.
But inside, I wanted to say more because I actually had a really nice Sunday morning.
What happened Sunday morning?
I made coffee at home. I sat near the window. It was quiet, very peaceful.
Oh, that sounds lovely, honestly.
It was lovely, but I couldn't say that in English. Lovely didn't come to me. Peaceful didn't come to me. Nothing came to me.
Just, I stayed home.
Just, I stayed home.
And that whole beautiful Sunday morning stayed inside you.
Yeah, locked inside.
That is a real feeling. That is a very real feeling.
And she nodded and walked away. And I felt, I don't know, small.
Small.
Yeah, like I had something real to share, and I shared almost nothing.
I hear you. Can I tell you something?
Yeah,
I once practiced. Every morning, before leaving the house, I would say out loud how my morning was.
wait, like talking to yourself?
Yes, talking to myself, in the kitchen.
Haha.
I would say things like, my morning was okay. I woke up a little late. My coffee was really good today.
Huh.
Small things, but real things.
And that helped?
It helped so much, because when someone asked me later, the words were already warm in my mouth.
Warm.
Yeah, not cold and frozen. Already practiced. Already moving.
Huh. That is a really good idea.
It sounds a little funny.
No, it sounds helpful.
Huh. Okay, good. So the idea is this. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need a perfect story. You just need 1 or 2 real small things.
1 or 2 small things.
Yeah, that Sunday morning, your quiet coffee near the window, that was enough.
Really?
Really.
Because it felt too simple.
Simple is actually better. People don't need a big story. They just want to feel like you shared something real.
Something real.
Something human.
Huh. I like that.
Okay, so let me share something simple, something that helped me.
Yeah, please.
I call it the 3-part answer.
3-part answer?
Yeah, when someone asks, how was your day? You say 3 small things. Just 3.
3 things. Okay, what kind of things?
First, 1 feeling word.
1 feeling word?
Yeah, like busy, tiring, good, nice, okay, long, quiet.
So just 1 word for how the day felt.
Exactly. Very simple.
Okay, that I can do.
Second, 1 thing that happened.
1 thing?
Just 1. Doesn't need to be interesting. Something simple, like I had a meeting, or I had lunch outside today, or I finished a project.
Okay, something basic.
Basic is perfect.
I always think I need something interesting.
No, basic is perfect. And third, 1 feeling about that thing.
A feeling about the thing.
Yeah, like it was a little stressful, or it was actually nice, or I felt relieved after.
Okay, so 3 parts. 1 feeling word, 1 thing that happened, 1 feeling about that thing.
Exactly. Want to try it?
Wait, now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, let me think. Today was a little tiring,
Good. That's your feeling word.
and I had a long meeting in the morning.
Good. That's your one thing?
And I felt a little relieved after it finished.
Yes, that was perfect.
Really?
Really, that was a complete answer.
It felt almost too simple.
That's why it works. Simple sounds natural.
Hmm.
Simple sounds like you are reading from a paper.
True.
Now let me give you some phrases, real phrases, that you can use tomorrow.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, first phrase. It was a pretty normal day.
It was a pretty normal day.
Yeah, pretty means quite or a little.
Oh, pretty normal. Not very exciting.
Exactly. And that's okay to say. Normal days are okay.
Yeah,
Second phrase. Not bad, actually.
not bad, actually.
Yeah. Actually makes it sound a little surprised, like better than you expected.
Oh, not bad, actually. I like that.
Third phrase. A little stressful, but okay.
A little stressful, but okay.
Yeah, but okay softens it. You admit the difficult part, but you also say you survived.
You survived.
Yes, and that makes you sound very natural.
Real people say a little stressful?
All the time.
I thought only I felt stressed.
Everyone feels stressed sometimes. Saying it out loud is honest and normal.
Yeah. Okay. Fourth phrase?
Fourth phrase. Nothing special, but I felt good.
Nothing special, but I felt good.
Yeah, that's for those quiet days. Nothing happened, but you felt fine.
Oh, I have so many of those days.
Most days are like that.
Yeah. Nothing special, but okay.
And that is enough to say. You don't need drama.
I always think my day needs to be interesting.
No, your day just needs to be real.
Real.
Real is interesting. Interesting is optional.
Yeah. Real is interesting. Interesting is optional.
Yeah.
Okay, let's practice now.
Yes.
This section is for you, the listener.
We are going to say some phrases, and you repeat after us.
Say each phrase out loud. Don't just listen. Actually say the words.
Even if you feel a little embarrassed. Even if no one is watching.
Especially if no one is watching.
Safe practice.
Okay, first phrase. It was a pretty normal day.
Good. Again, it was a pretty normal day.
Nice. Second phrase. Not bad, actually.
Good. Try to sound a little surprised. Not bad, actually.
That one is fun to say.
Yeah.
Third phrase. A little stressful, but okay.
Good. Again, a little stressful, but okay.
That phrase sounds very natural, very human.
Yeah, it sounds honest.
Fourth phrase. Nothing special, but I felt good.
Good. One more time. Nothing special, but I felt good.
Perfect. Now, let's do the three-part answer together.
Okay.
I'll say an example answer, then you repeat, and then build your own.
Okay.
Example answer. Today was a little long. I had a busy morning, but I felt more relaxed in the afternoon.
Good. Okay, listener, now your turn. Think about today or yesterday. Say one feeling word about your day. Now say one thing that happened. Now say one feeling about that thing.
You just described your day in English.
That was it.
3 parts. Simple, real, yours.
I wish someone had told me this earlier.
Me too, honestly.
Okay, so Grace, what is the challenge for this week?
Okay, the challenge is simple. Tomorrow, when someone asks you, "How was your day?" don't say fine.
Don't say fine.
Say 2 sentences. Just 2, that's all.
2 sentences.
Yeah, 1 feeling, 1 small thing. That's it.
And if I forget?
Then say 1 sentence. 1 is better than 0.
Okay, 1 is better than 0.
And if you say fine again by accident, that's okay too.
Wait, really?
Really. You're learning. You're practicing. Every time is a new try.
That is comforting.
Good. But seriously, try tomorrow. 1 person, 2 sentences.
And I tell you from experience, when you say a little more, the other person responds more too.
Yes.
And suddenly it becomes a real conversation.
A real connection.
Yeah, not just fine and walk away.
Yeah. And for our listeners, tell us in the comments, what situation makes your English disappear?
Yes. Is it your coworker asking about your day? Your boss? A stranger?
We read every comment.
Every single one.
And your story might help someone else feel less alone.
Yeah. Your fine story might be someone else's story too.
Your fine story is definitely someone else's story. Okay, let's wind up.
Okay, before we finish, can I say something?
Of course.
I think for a long time, I believed my days were not interesting enough, not worth describing. Like my quiet Sunday morning, coffee near the window, peaceful. I thought, nobody wants to hear about that.
But they do.
Yeah. I think they do.
People are not waiting for exciting stories. They are waiting for honest ones.
Yeah, honest ones.
A quiet morning with coffee. A long meeting that finally ended. A lunch that was actually good. Those are real.
Yeah, those are real.
And real is more than enough.
More than enough.
So, listener, maybe today your English felt small. Maybe you said, fine, again. Maybe you walked away from a conversation feeling that thing, that invisible feeling.
But you're here. You're listening. You're practicing.
And every time you listen, something is growing inside you,
Slowly.
quietly.
Like that Sunday morning coffee.
Your voice is not too small. It's just still warming up.
Little by little, every single day.
Keep going.